Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today we are going to discuss about the divisibility rule for 8. It says that a number is exactly divisible by 8 if its last 3 digits on the right are exactly divisible by 8. Got it? Let us try to understand this rule with an example. Example: is 56128 exactly divisible by 8? Apply the rule. The last 3 digits on the right of 56128 are 1, 2 and 8. That is 128. Next, check, is 128 exactly divisible by 8 or not? When we divide 128 by 8, we get 0 as the remainder. So, you can say 128 is exactly divisible by 8. Therefore, according to the divisibility rule for 8, 56128 should be exactly divisible by 8. Got it? Now, let us verify the correctness of the divisibility rule using long division. When we divide 56128 by 8, we get 0 as the remainder. So, you can say 56128 is exactly divisible by 8. Hence, the divisibility rule for 8 holds true in this case because the rule already said that 56128 should be exactly divisible by 8. Got it? Let us move on to another example. Is 4693 exactly divisible by 8? Let us check. First, apply the rule. The last 3 digits on the right of 4693 are 6, 9 and 3. That is 693. Next, check, is 693 exactly divisible by 8? Let us check. When we divide 693 by 8, we get 5 as the remainder. So, you can say 693 is not exactly divisible by 8. Hence, according to the divisibility rule for 8, 4693 should not be exactly divisible by 8. Got it? Now, let us check the correctness of the divisibility rule using long division. When we divide 4693 by 8, we get 5 as the remainder. So, you can say 4693 is not exactly divisible by 8. Hence, the divisibility rule for 8 holds true in this case because the rule already said that 4693 should not be exactly divisible by 8. Got it? Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel Basics to Master Maths. Thank you.